In a pot, add 1/4 cup of cooking oil. Let it get hot. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of flour. Now we're going to stir until it's brown. Keep stirring it. So yeah, she keeps stirring it. You're going to see it start changing in color. Like to a light brown, then into a medium brown, into dark brown. But you just keep stirring it until it's a dark brown. And you can't walk away from it. You gotta stay stirring it. So keep stirring, y'all. See, it's gonna turn a little bit, getting lighter, well, a little bit darker. And you just keep on stirring. Starting to get a little darker, you guys. You gotta keep stirring because you want it to be brown. Well, it kind of like depends on what you're making. So I'm gonna make some gumbo with this gravy. So I want mine to be dark. But like if you want to make biscuits and gravy, just make it light. And just add your water to it. And then your seasonings and whatever you're going to put in it. But see how it's getting darker and darker. You got to keep stirring. It's getting darker. So, yep, just keep stirring. Be almost there. So this is like a medium brown here. And you keep your fire on like medium heat. But you have to constantly stir. Do not move from the stove. You have to stir. And you ever heard of darker the roux, the better the gravy? Well, that's true. I'm from Louisiana, and I've been making gumbo and chicken stews and all that stuff. So, yeah, the darker the roux, the better the gravy, babies. Yeah, but you just got to keep stirring. Now your roux is finished. Just drop in some water. Fill your pot halfway with water. Our gravy is done. Look how pretty, you guys. Now you add in your seasons, your bell peppers, your onions, celery. And just let it cook until you start seeing it get thick. There you have it, brown gravy.